going on, guys? We got the boys here in the house today. And yo, Ian, tell them what we're gonna do today, bro.
We're gonna change out the engine mounts, the valve cover gaskets, the oil pressure release valve, change out spark plugs, do an oil change, and thank God Luis is coming because he's our Mexican that does all of our work. Thanks for helping out.
Yeah, this dude literally said, "Hey, I got a couple of things to do in my car," and he just brings everything. He thinks he's pretty much gonna do like an engine swap today in like 10 minutes. So pretty much we're just gonna do the engine mount today. So we just gotta jack up the car and change the mounts. Let's go.
Now we have to remove the engine. I'm going to undo these two clips. I'm going to undo the sensor.
You got Nick here working hard.
Oh shit.
Yeah, poor Tian just working harder than this is me. Just hanging out. Jack is killing it over there helping. And Chris is...
I'm getting behind the scenes footage right now.
behind the scenes of behind the scenes.
Yeah.
Alright, that's off. Hold it with your left.
Hold on. Alright, ready? Which is coming off.
Yeah.
There we go. Oh. Here, let me bring it out this way. This one?
Yeah. So take that bolt and then
So same thing on that side too.
this bolt here. And then let's we gotta hold the engine. So you can let's take these bolts out because it doesn't matter. It's not holding
It's still
anything.
gonna
So
sit there anyways, right?
yeah, let's take those two bolts out. Then we'll put the jack under here, and then we'll take the top bolts out. And
But the engine won't fucking like collapse on me when I take the bolts out, right?
no, not if you take these bottom ones.
Okay.
So let's take these out first, and then we'll put the jack underneath.
Okay, we'll do that.
Yeah, right there.
Yeah. Alright, I think it's off now.
Oh, it just fell on the ground.
I did?
Yeah. That was good.
Ah, fuck.
Now we gotta just go on this side and just
You saw it, Chris? Is under there?
we just gotta take this intake, so just remove that, and then we can get to it.
So I gotta take this off then?
No. You can probably
Do you need to remove the whole air box or just the
no, just
this part?
just this right here. So take this out and then take this out, because the bolt's right in there.
This dude.
No. Damn, I need to change that filter out, dude. It's fucking dirty. Son of a bitch. Hey, take your filter off, man.
I just got a new one. Hell no. Here, I'll go bat it out outside.
Yeah, please, thanks. Dude, do I have a new filter in that box? Check in that box, see if I might have one.
You don't even know where you bought?
Oh, yes, I do, right? That's it?
Yeah.
Sweet. Yeah, so no need.
There.
All right. Alright, here we go.
How do you have gloves and my hands are all dirty now?
Wait, no? Oh, wait. Huh? That's for this, right? Man probably just makes it
We're
different.
gonna go from an aftermarket filter to a, what's this, a Fram?
Man.
God. Boy, I would have gotten the
It's in
wrong
there.
one.
Actually, you can probably go from here.
Jack, you want to hand me that pistola over there? Yeah. Thanks. I'm a YouTuber now.
Here.
Alright, good. Ready? Hold up.
Dude, you're so tall and
Man,
handsome.
your shit is dirty as fucking.
Yeah.
God damn.
Shit, dude. Makes me nervous when it is.
Oh yeah, I was checking through it. Are you keeping track of time?
It's moving.
You want to check it out? You want to check it out?
Yeah, you can.
Off? Oh, you're just taking it off now? Did someone hand me a flashlight?
Jack,
Yeah.
give him the flashlight.
Where is no flash?
Ready to see Tian's motor mount?
See? That is
Dude!
Oh my.
I can't see anything. Where's the
Right there, right there.
Yeah,
It's
right
in.
there, right there,
Okay,
right there.
Hang on.
Alright, you're in. Yeah.
It's in. There we go.
Ah!
Make sure.
Alright, Tian, we're almost done here, or what?
Yeah, buddy.
A few more bolts.
Yep. And then we gonna head right over to the titty bar, motorboats and titties.
Alright, then we're gonna go take a break, go get some tea, take the cars out.
Woo! Nope. Didn't come out with the. Oh shit.
Alright, we'll see you soon.
What do you think? Does it sound good? Alright, we got Nick driving my E46 M3 for the first time.
Are you scared?
A little bit.
Driving your baby?
A little bit. Don't hurt her. If she says no, she means it. Just got some tapioca.
There's that go-kart foot.
Oh, Andretti. We should go. Oh, there goes my phone and our drinks.
How do you turn on traction control in this shit? Keep
So
blinking.
if you press this, it lets it slip a little bit more. If you hold down this, it turns it off. This motherfucker, first time driving my car, he's driven about 50 feet and just turned off the traction.
Alright, I like it.
Not bad, huh? For a slow car. Optimistically, half the wheel horsepower of your car. Alright, so tell me again, in what ways my car is so far superior than your car?
Well, it's definitely slower, that's for sure.
Safer, got it.
But it's more
very well. Every pull, it falls into my lap. Shift in and as low as you can and rip it. Let's reset all this. Well, you were talking about how the DCT was far superior to a traditional 6-speed manual.
It's not like I like the 6-speed better, but it's crazy how smooth like this is. It's like you almost don't even feel it shifting.
Right, and before this tune, it was pretty rough relative to now. And you're in the most aggressive, almost the most aggressive setting. So.
Yeah, I can see why people hate the SMG. I mean, the SMG sucks. It's clunky. It just feels like the car's about to break. This is just like super smooth. It's almost like you don't even feel shifting.
When I first drove an M3 to buy one, I was test driving it. I was so impressed because it was in the lowest setting, so it was slipping the clutch a little bit. But after that, I was like, okay, I gotta have it. I could drive this every day. That's what I told myself before I bought the car.
And it's like instant too.
Yeah. And this is first gen.
It's crazy.